What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping in the next one on our Eurovision journey. Anouk with Birds. Hey, I heard it was the song that gave the Netherlands hope. That's what I heard. That they had been doing really bad for a long time on some Eurovision entries, but this one was one that brought the Netherlands back into the game. Let's jump into it. Let's check it out together live. 2013 Grand Final. If you're ready, definitely get over it. Go show Eurovision Song Contest some love after this. Go show Anouk some love. You know we love her. Let's go. Make sure we got full side. We do.
Isolated from the outside, clouds have taken all the light.
Oh.
I have no control. It seems my thoughts wander all of the time when I try to live life without you. Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. Being myself is what.
Yo, this is a super poetic damn way to talk about being lonely. That's for sure. Lots of crazy things happen when you're separate from somebody, whether you're just separate physically, whether you are no longer seeing anybody, whether something like that. Like, that's always powerful. When you are messing around with love, it can always end up either as a bomb or as something like a balloon. That's beautiful. Like, there's so much going on. But when you're lonely, I'm saying, that's a world eater right there. To just sit around and think. And think and think. It gives you all the time in the world to do that, to think about things and to start noticing all of the other things around you that really start to aggravate you. Oh, I hate being lonely for sure. This is a deep ass way of talking about being lonely. This is not the Anouk we're used to. This is a different type of Anouk, and I enjoy it.
Being myself is what I do wrong, and I would rather not be right. Hopes turned into fear, and with my one wing I can't fly with sunrise, embrace my dreams tight, and that's why birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. Birds to a place without fear, with no moonlight. All I need are trees and flowers and some sunlight, where memories are being made and where the old one dies, where love ain't lost. Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. That's why birds don't fly.
Wow. My Lord, Anouk. We've seen Anouk do a lot of things, but this was her in a different light altogether. Listen to it. The Netherlands was ready for her. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Anouk with birds. I'm saying that those kind of lonely moments, they're a hard one to deal with, but that's something so many people go through. A lot of people related to that song. That's why it was so damn powerful and big. If you guys enjoyed it, get over, show Anouk some love. Go show Eurovision Song Contest some love. Smash the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but I won't believe you. Till the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.